In a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, a baby named Billy giggled and cooed, his bright blue eyes filled with wonder. One sunny afternoon, as he played in the backyard, a mysterious light beamed from the sky, and strange figures descended, dancing in a mesmerizing rhythm. Unbeknownst to anyone, Billy sensed a connection with these otherworldly beings. As the aliens swayed in enchanting movements, Billy responded with a dance of his own, a dance that seemed to echo the secrets of the universe. The aliens' arrival had awakened something deep within Billy, a profound understanding beyond his years. He knew that their message was important, one that held the fate of the world. So, when the moon's gentle glow bathed the town at night, he called upon the other babies, assembling them in the park under the twinkling stars. The babies formed a circle, and with little hands clutched together, they moved in a synchronized symphony of movements. They danced, twirling like dandelions in the wind, reaching for the cosmos with their tiny fingers. Their laughter and babbling were a language only they comprehended. In the following days, Billy and the babies found moments to share their dance play with the grown-ups. They danced amidst the hustle of daily life, hoping the adults would feel the message pulsating in their wiggles and jumps. Yet, the grown-ups only saw their adorable antics and dismissed the significance behind their play. Unyielding, the babies decided to record their dance play, preserving it in pixels and waves. The video found its way onto the screens of the world, captivating viewers with its delightful charm. Yet, it held a deeper secret, waiting to be deciphered. Max, a curious teenager with a knack for puzzles, studied the dance play video frame by frame. He noticed intricate patterns and movements that seemed to form a blueprint for something unknown yet crucial. Driven by curiosity, Max enlisted the help of the adults to unlock the mystery. Together, they toiled tirelessly, translating the dance into technology. Wires entwined like waltzing partners, circuits danced with each other in an electronic tango. Finally, the communicator hummed to life, its purpose clear to those who had labored over its creation. With the communicator in hand, the adults reached out to the stars, their fingers brushing the cosmic fabric. They conveyed their plea for help, acknowledging their shortcomings and seeking guidance. The universe listened as ancient energies pulsed through the ether, carrying the message to those who could make a difference. And so, a transformation began, imperceptible at first, like a bud swelling before it blossoms. People embraced the wisdom shared through the dance play, and seeds of compassion and understanding sprouted in the hearts of humanity. As the days turned to weeks and weeks to months, a new culture emerged from the collective consciousness. It was a dance of unity and harmony where differences were celebrated and the well-being of the planet became a shared responsibility. In the end, it wasn't the adults who saved the world. It was the children, the babies who danced with cosmic grace, and the kids who believed in the magic of the universe. And as they danced through life, weaving connections beyond the visible, they proved that sometimes the most important stories were the ones spoken without words.